Hi everybody, I'm Happy Joe, founder of Happy Space Comfy Place Homes LLC. Today we're in Washington DC. We're gonna join one of my clients taking care of her home today. Come on with me, let's get it done. So today I have one of my longtime clients, been around for like 10 years. And I've only been in business for myself since 2017, so that tells you something. People have been with me for a long time. She's having a terrible time with her old vent, getting stuck, not cooperating at all. And we're gonna swap that out, put in a new one for her, because of course this also affects how your home feels, with you being comfortable, being able to breathe properly. We all need to do that. And of course, keeping our money right, because when these run right, it's efficient and it works properly. I've done many a project for this client, from the basement to the ceiling of the top floor. We can start at the front door. I've changed the locks, put a brand new digital keypad on, and changed the doorknob, so that looks all good. She feels safe and secure now. The mission behind my company, it's all in the name. It's Happy Space, Comfy Place, point blank and period. I'm here to make sure that your living experience in your home is all what it's supposed to be, what you dreamt it to be. And that's why I'm here. So your whole deal with Happy Space Comfy Place Homes, what my mission is to make sure that I would like for people to feel how I would feel if I were in their shoes. So when I come to your door, I come with the get it done attitude, first of all. And of course, you're gonna see a smile on my face because I'm happy to be here.